In another 2 days, the Seaside community of Parity in St. Elizabeth should be getting a major cleanup of debris left in the wake of the catastrophic Hurricane Melissa. The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says it will be paying special attention to damaged mangroves, noting the importance of the wetlands in the area. Coordinator Italy Patterson-Thwaites explained that the nearby Black River Morass was the first declared Ramsar site, which is a protected space that has international importance. Now, apart from educating residents about the need to protect the wetlands in Parity, NEPA says it will be partnering with other agencies to try and return the mangroves to their original state.
Working with stakeholders such as the Forestry Department, we're working with NWC, we're working with private sector stakeholders to see how best we can bring some support to the Parity area, as well as to do some cleanups within the protected area, some cleanup within the wetland, to do some solid waste, bulky waste removal, as well as to do any restoration work such as planting if necessary.
She says the first phase of the mangrove cleanup will coincide with the February 2 observation of World Wetlands Day.
So on that day, NEPA, along with the different stakeholders such as Forestry Department, will be here on the ground in Parity, working with the community members, doing some heavy cleaning of the wetland, doing some sensitization, and also working with NWC to get some water back into the community. We're also in talk with the Ministry of Agriculture and the National Fisheries Department, Fisheries Authority, and NSWMA to do some works within the area.